Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to do analysis of cryptocurrency. Here is an Ethereum chart, and here if we can see, then here Ethereum has touched this level multiple times on and on 1, 2, 3, 4. It has touched here multiple times on daily time frame, but here if we see, it has touched multiple times, but on this time the moment of selling pressure was near about started from this point, and it is making continuously red negative candles. So at any point a buyer's up can become like a buying force can become at any time. Why? Because it is making negatively candles continuously. So the thing like a green candle is not still made. So what we are going to do is we are still take it as a weak, but we can also take it as a sudden buying movement can become here. So first of all, we will try to go on the smaller time frame to see what is happening on smaller time frame. So in 4 hour time frame, we can see that here Ethereum is in range. If we see here, we can draw that this is the point, it is the upper point where it is the range, and on the lower point this is the point where it is in range. And this is a very important point. Here you can see that this is the barrier for buyers and sellers. Like see here, very aggressively sellers were trying to make price down and down, but this is the point where suddenly buyers has come and took control over here and try to control the situation and try to control the price. But whatever happened here after that, after the sudden buying, you can see that it has tried to go upside, but again here a selling pressure has just started to begin, and the choppiness here is increasing. But what we are going to do here, we are just going to wait here and see on the smaller time frame what is going to happen. But for now we can see here that here on this point it has touched here, like here buyers again try, here sellers again try, but buyers came here. Here again sellers try, but again buyers come, but again sellers try and buyers come. And here again if you see here, sellers are again trying here. So if buyers really want to come here, then they have to come like this, and then after doing some time span it should go upside like this. But we don't know whether buyers will come or not. So what we are going to do on the smaller time frame, if it try to go upside, then we can do buying on smaller quantity, because buying side's pressure is still pending. If we see on the daily time frame, a buying side pressure, a green candle is still pending. So we can expect that a sudden buying move, like if that sudden buying move is come, then we can take advantage of that move. So we can expect a buying, but we will do buying on the smaller quantity, whereas on the bigger time frame it is still clear that it is all still weak. On daily time frame it is still weak, so we will plan on negative side with aggressive quantity and with upside with lower quantity in Ethereum. And if we go on the smaller time frame, we are going to get more detailed picture about it. Here you can see that the selling pressure was too much, but as soon as it is stock is moving, more bars is coming. You can see that the move up selling here, the steepness was too much, but here the angle of steepness is decline. If we see here, and it is trying to settle down in near about sideways market. If we go into sideways, then the decision can be happen, like either it will recover to upside or the selling pressure will continue to go, but we will see after some time. But till now we will just going to wait here and just wait how the market react and how it will not react to something and something. As you can see on the still on the 15 minute, it is still same but here you can see that to go upside it has to break this trend line. On the smaller time frame you can see that here one kind of trend line is still here, so if it wants to go upside then it has to break this trend line, and after breaking this trend line it can try to go up as slow and steady, or else after in below this level it is still negative for us, so we are just going to wait how it's gonna react or not. Now if we go on the BTC, here in BTC see again similar like that, it has touched here multiple times, so it is also a weak spot, but here same story, you can see that on this level selling pressure was started, and from the top the selling pressure is come continuously by making it 3 negative candle on the smaller time frame. If we go here then I'm not interested more in selling side here. Why? Because if it makes like this, if it like see here it is make the selling pressure started from here. Now if it do some time span near about this area, after doing some time span if it go downside then I am more interested in selling side, but or if it try to go some upside then after going upside it again go downside, then I'm more interested in selling side. Rather than that I'm not interested in buying for now in heavy quantity, but we can trade in buying side a very little bit of quantity we can take. If we see on any scenario like do scalping kind of thing we can also do here, and nothing much on the smaller time frame. You can see that the move was selling, you can see the steepness is one kind of fading, the angle of stiffness is declining as it's going on and on, more bars is coming here, so this is the alert for buyers. So like when you break this trend line, when you break this trend line this can be alert for buyers that yes there are some buyers presented here. When it crossed this trend line that can be alert and some that buyers are there, and after if it take a retest and if it go upside close retest and go upside, then this is the point where more buyers can attract here, but for now at least we are just going to wait here, and it is still negative for us. It is like making lower highs and lows low, nothing much here, so we are just going to wait here and see how it's gonna unwind itself.